If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A27, then the first thing that we can do is we can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, search for Google Services. Then over here we're gonna go to All Services, and you want to scroll down over here in order to find Search Assistant and Voice. Then over here, you want to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant here. And in fact, if you do use Gemini, which is probably the case for most of you, then in that case you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and you need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, and we need to confirm that we want to switch. Of course, if you already use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, then you can skip that step. Next, you want to go to General, and then here you want to turn off Google Assistant. And there we go. Now we should not have access to Gemini or Google Assistant. Besides that, you can also, of course, disable shortcuts. Like, for example, if you go to Advanced Features and then choose the Side button, and then over here we have the long press. Of course, by default, we have the Digital Assistant assigned to the power button. So when you press and hold the power button, you activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. You can, of course, switch to, for example, Power Off menu. So you will not accidentally activate Gemini or Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.